Hello guys, in this today's lecture we will learn about the access specifiers. Okay, so now without wasting of the time, let's move to the access specifiers. Now, access specifier. Why should we use the access specifier? The main purpose of the access specifier is that when we write a simple C++ program, we uses the classes, members, member functions, and many more things we use under the C++ program. But we use also access specifiers directly or indirectly. We use the access specifier. Okay, now what is the main purpose of the access specifier? Access specifier are used to give the access to the different level. It means that the member functions, members, variables, etc. is given access by the access specifiers. Okay, it means that in short, in other language it can be say that the access specifier are used to set the boundaries to the members of the classes and the member functions of the classes. Okay, and there are three types of the access specifier as private. First one is the private, second one is the protected, and third one is the public. Then we use this access specifier in the program. Okay, and each access specifier has different properties. Okay, now this is the colon symbol. We use this access specifier with the colon as this. Okay, now guys, let us see one by one. Okay, class. In the class we will discuss first one. Access specifier is the private. When we declare members in the private access specifier, that can be accessed, the member functions can be accessed within the class and the friend function. It means that the data members or member functions which is stored in the private section, that can be accessed only within the class and the friend of the class. Beside this, outside the class it can be accessed. Okay, now second one is protected. The availability and accessibility of the protected is completely same as the private, but a little bit difference is that when we use the protected access specifier, when we use, just see this now. Okay, now just see the the availability or the accessibility of the private protected is completely same as the private. Okay, now this is a little bit difference is that when we use this protected access specifier, when we use the inheritance, then only we use the protected access specifier. Then you may question me arise that what is the inheritance? The inheritance is that inheritance means we can inherit it, or we can use the properties of the one class to the another class. It means that the properties of the old one class is used or inherited by the derived class. It means that the data which is stored in the protected, that can be accessed within the class and the derived class. Then second one is that public. Public is the most free class. Okay, sorry. Public is the most free access specifier. It means that whenever we store every data in the public access specifier, that can be accessed inside the class, outside the class, and many more functions can access the data which is stored in the public section. In short, we can say that private is the most restricted, protected is the middle way or middle level access control of the private and public, and third one and mostly used is the public, most free. The data can be stored and accessed in any time, in anywhere. And one more thing is that when we write a simple C++ program, okay, when we write a simple C++ program, we use class members, member functions, etc. But without access, without define, when we made the class members without defining any access specifier, then by default this value, these functions, these member functions termed, or by default they are treated as a private access specifier. Okay, now Hope you will understand my lectures, and getting any queries about this, please comment it out. See you soon guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. For more updates, hit the bell icon.